For our early readers project, we did the book Little Shaq, written by Shaquille O'Neal and illustrated by Theodore Taylor III. I'm Jason.
And I'm Becca. General information. Little Shaq was written by Shaquille O'Neal and illustrated by Theodore Taylor III. In this series, the first book that was published was Little Shaq, which was published October 6, 2017. Out of the series, there are 3 books, which are Little Shaq Takes a Chance, and Little Shaq Star of the Week. There are no more volumes that are going to be produced. The last book was on September 19, 2017. Shaq has also written a few other books, including Shaq's Family Style, Shaq Uncut, Shaq Talks Back, and Shaq and the Beanstalk and Other Tall Tales. Theodore Taylor III has illustrated other books such as Lil Nas X C is for Country, Woke, A Young Poet's Call to Justice, Buzzing with Questions, Woke Baby, Trailblazer, and When the Beat Was Born. Theodore won the Coretta Scott King John Steptoe New Talent Award. The book he won the award for was When the Beat Was Born, DJ Kool Herc, and the Creation of Hip Hop.
The protagonist in the story is Little Shaq. He is great at everything, including basketball and video games. This leads us to our antagonist, which is his cousin, Barry O'Neal. Barry becomes very jealous of Little Shaq, and especially when Little Shaq did not pass Barry the basketball for the game-winning shot. Little Shaq comes off in a way as being selfish, because he does not always allow others to play along with him, and only wants to achieve everything his way.
Next is the structure of the book. So the structure of this book is broken down into chapters that are related, as you can see in the slide. Chapter 1, Slam Dunk, Chapter 2, The Game Plan, and Chapter 3, Layups and Turnups. The basic plot of this story is both Lil Shaq and Barry working together despite their issues to buy a new video game. They overcome their differences by working on their plant watering business, all thanks to Lil Shaq's dad.
So why is this appealing? Some of the features of the book that we found appealing was how they inscribed the text around the pictures. Also, the use of chapters was helpful because it allowed for similar stories to be told, but in different lights. The teachers would find this book appealing because it shows 2 young boys learning to work together and accomplish a common goal, which relates to teachers in the classroom trying to get all their students to work together and accomplish their goals given for the classroom. For the parents, it appeals to them because 2 children are working for what they want and not just getting it handed to them. It shows their independent work ethic and how hardworking they are. For a parent, this would be something to thrive for and show how proud they are of their boys. And this concludes our early reader project on Little Shaq.